You stay till up at 2 a.m. scrolling your phone. You told yourself you'll be fine, and you were not fine. Do you know right now your brain is working like the brain of a person who is drunk? It's not a joke. Let me show you what actually happens inside your body when you don't sleep enough. Hey everyone, this is Arpita Viradar, a medical student who is learning, exploring, finding out things and sharing the same with you so that it helps improving your lifestyle. So without any time waste, let's begin with the video. First of all, we'll talk about the things which you actually know and feel. First, you can't focus in your meetings, in your class or somewhere. You wake up feeling very tired, you get angry for no reasons, you have headache, puffy eyes, dull skin, and also you are still hungry for the worst kind of foods like french fries, chocolates and all the junk foods which are known to be. And this is not just being tired. Please do understand, this is something which is caused due to the hormonal imbalance due to your sleep deprivation. One bad night is annoying, but years of bad night is a medical risk. Please do understand this. Now let's see about what actually happens inside your body. When you don't sleep, your cortisol levels increase. This cortisol is also called as the stress hormone of your body. At the same time, the growth hormone, which helps to repair your body, almost stops working. Due to increase in your cortisol and spike in the cortisol levels, heart rate increases, blood pressure increases, your immunity is suppressed. Due to which the people who lack sleep are more prone to infections. And also, the insulin in your body stops working the right way. That's why there is a resistance against insulin, due to which diabetes is seen. Not only this, but your hunger hormones, which are leptin and ghrelin, get confused, and this is why the people who sleep less eat more junk food. This is not the willpower, this is the biology working against you. Next, coming to some facts which feel so fake but they aren't. Trust me on this, many researches have been done and these results are so true. Fact number 1, staying awake for 17 to 19 hours straight without sleeping is functioning as the person whose blood alcohol level is 0.05%. And staying awake up for 24 hours straight is like a person having blood alcohol level of 0.1%. Do you get it? And 0.1% of blood alcohol level is above the limit to drive the vehicle. Get it? Fact number 2. This is the most important part of the whole video. So listen carefully. Sleeping less is directly related to high risk of Alzheimer's in you. And you may think, how does it cause? See, in brain there is a glymphatic system which clears your brain or cleans your brain when you're asleep. If you don't sleep, there will be no clearing of the brain, due to which amyloid beta accumulation takes place, and this is directly involved in causing Alzheimer's disease. And Alzheimer's disease is a neurodegenerative disease which is literally a serious issue in this. A person for real sake forgets to breathe, and that is the reason to his death. Do you get the seriousness of the problem? Fact number 3. You have noticed people saying, I'm fine sleeping 5 hours, I'm used to it. But they're not really used to it. Your brain fools you. There are many researchers which says the people sleeping only for 5 hours have been doing very less in their performance. Yeah. And the fact number 4, which is so fascinating and feels so unreal. Listen to this. Your brain microsleeps. That means a part of your brain is asleep when the other part is awake and working. This is the reason why people who are sleep deprived make mistakes even after they insist they were fully awakened. Think about it, and this is so dangerous when you're driving sleep deprived and your brain micro sleeps. So the next time you say yourself, I'll just stay a little bit later, please do remember your brain is acting as if it's drunk. Your hormones are working against you, and your brain's cleaning system, which actually protects you from Alzheimer's, is just doomed up. Sleep is not laziness, it is the healing mechanism of your body. It should be done when it is done. I hope this video was full of information and helps you to improve your lifestyle. Thank you.